Hey everybody, it's the Technical Wizard here, and today I am going to show you how to bump start a car truck. And today we're going to be using my 1988 Jeep Comanche Laredo, as you've seen in previous videos. Right now it's having an issue with the starter where it will not turn over or anything. You turn the key, you'll hear the fuel pump run, but the starter will not spin or anything. And I already checked the battery, check connections, solenoid, but it's just not doing anything. So today I'm going to show you how to bump start. It's a very simple concept. It'll only work in manual cars, I believe. But this is an old trick my dad taught me because he used to have a 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. He'd always have to jump start or bump start, or whatever you want to call it, because he did not have a battery in it. But to make this easier, you're going to want to be on a sloped surface. Worst case scenario, you'll have to have some buddies push you off. But here's what you do. Go ahead and get in the vehicle. So when you push off, you're going to want to push your clutch in. Make sure you're in neutral so you could push off. But when you push off, you're going to want to keep your foot on the clutch, hold it, put it in first, and once you reach about 10 miles per hour, let the clutch go fast. So dump it, or pop it, or whatever you want to call it, and the vehicle should start. So let's get to it. Okay, I got my camera on the dash, and we'll go ahead and get this going. Give her a bit of a push so it'll start rolling, and then get back in the vehicle once it's rolling, and don't overdo it because you won't be able to get in. Turn your key to the on position, and then clutch it, first gear, and there you go. That's how you bump start a vehicle. So I hope y'all enjoyed this short tutorial. Maybe it'll help some of y'all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll be seeing you guys later. This is the Technical Wizard, signing off.